a lot of concrete in there, and we've had one of these blow before.
Thought we're all sound, and we've had a bit of a blowout. Look, absolute nightmare. Another week beckons. Monday morning, sun comes out. Bit of a wet one this morning, not too bad, it's not a light rain, but at least it's warmed up slightly from last week. So yeah, the lads are back on with that, but the palisade job. We'll get that loaded up today, and then Carl's making the shuttering for the concrete, which I'm going to order today and get that delivered probably Wednesday. So yeah, I'm just going to get the fire lit and get kettle going, and I was going to catch up with a bit of admin this morning, and then I'll meet them up on site. Oh God, what an horrible day it is. I've already emptied this puddle once, absolutely bouncing it down. Don't exactly inspire you, does it, when it's like this? So yeah, I'm just catching up with some admin here. Hopefully the lads will get something done today, but you know, it's like when it's raining like this, nobody wants to get out of hand, do they? But
we're just down at Inspire. It's not a pedestrian gate, they're after a vehicle access bollard gate, you know, like a barrier. So kids are coming in and pulling these up and messing about with them, so they're not going to use them anymore. It needs to open outward from this side, so like that, and lock here and lock there so they can lock it open.
Good morning, Tuesday. Lads are back up off Tong Street today doing a palisade. Carl's gonna make this shuttering box thing. We've got concrete coming tomorrow. I've got a job to go see over in Leeds, I think it is. Oh no, sorry, and then Tuesday's coming this morning. Just do some admin again with me. Hopefully the lads will get some footage up on site. I might nip up later. But right now, I'm gonna light the fire and get the kettle on because it's freezing. Hive of activity in the yard this morning. Until that was fencing on. And put boards and then gates on this one. Gar's just getting a length of steel out so he can get his measure across where sliding gates sort of go. I'm going to build a box for the concrete. I will find some. Won't mind, I bet we've got nearly enough fencing to do that other job.
Which one?
In Leeds. Look, you think, well, that's them there. There's loads here. Well, there's a few stood up there as well, and yeah, let's get loaded up now, and then we'll get sorted out.
Just a bit of progress here, Mark at Appalech. We're thinking these gates, these 4 metre double leaf, because obviously you're coming around this corner and you've got to come around this curb and your turning circle. One full bay from our fence line literally lands as gate post in the road here, where that tape is now. So I'd happily go with that. I just want to put this to you just to make sure. But it'll be one nice tidy bay, and then probably maybe 1.5 bays at the other side of there. But you're never going to come round here and want to be any further over than that.
Oh, you know, you think you got a nice steady easy day, and then day just gets away with you. I mean, sort of beavering away behind scenes doing my admin. I think I'm about done then. I'm going to go to site, and then something else happens. Two things. I'm meant to have a delivery this morning. I'm sat here waiting. I thought, it's unusual, they're not here by now. Rings them. Oh, sorry, no, we're coming tomorrow now. Thanks for letting me know. And then somebody else said a meeting meant to be here. They haven't turned up, and then ringing me to apologise later. It's like, why not let me know first? And then two other jobs lads are currently on. Carl's just rung me. Basically they were putting gates in, and we just don't think, I mean, it's what the client's ordered and what we've quoted, 4 metres wide, but we think it'd be better if they're 5 metres wide. So anyway, I've just rung suppliers, blah blah blah, they're coming tomorrow. Can you stick a 5 metre wide on instead of 4 metre? So anyway, that's sorted. They're coming with 5 metre now. So lads won't be able to get that in today. So I'll bring that one back, take that back. Or I might just keep it for stock, to be honest. But Okay, that's because I've just put a big log on. What? Put a massive log on. That's why. Yeah, that's that. And then current job. Yeah, I think I did the job that we were doing over at Linthwaite. He must have a structural engineer now, and he's wanting drawings for cranks and railings, but we've only got basic drawings. It's like, I said, no, we've only got basic drawings, we ain't got in-depth sort of structural drawings and stuff like that. I said, also, I'm still not comfortable about fixing that wall. And he said, oh, can we make them longer so they're going at ground? So what, refabricate alt posts, get them all recoated, galvanised, coated. I said, it's some job that. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it could be. Still not comfortable, I think, fixing to that wall, but anyway, the structural engineer says it's okay, then maybe so, I don't know. Let's see what happens there, but obviously there's still always money as well. Can't get paid for railings. There's always problems.
A glorious cold day here at Airedale. We've done a shuttering, lots of bracing, backfilling, and we've even got us concrete in. We didn't actually give you any update pics or videos, but we've just been putting the job first, making sure it was right. There's a lot of concrete in there, and we've had one of these blow before.
No way, can't believe bad luck we've just had. We thought we're all sound, and we've had a bit of a blowout. Look, absolute nightmare.
So yeah, we're all in. It's not budging an inch.
Yeah, so I've just got to site here. Lads have got this concrete bit. Now look at that. Some engineering gone into that. Good job we've got an engineer on team. Or two actually now. But yeah, looking good is that. All thingied off. So all those electrics are there ready for when we get it hooked up and get it delivered. We've got to do run back. We're going to cut turf and gravel that, so nobody ever has to go in to cut the grass. And then we're going to fence around it like a metre off from middle, either side, down there, down and back. And then that'll get fenced eventually, but we'll leave that bit until it gets delivered. We might have to just cut a bit of this tarmac out here and chamfer it in, so we try to get that as low as we could, because there's going to be a gap under here, but it is what it is. The lads are just setting out now to get these gates in here. All that palisade's more or less done. I've actually swapped these from a 4 metre wide to 5 metre wide. I just think it'll be better as they come in there round this corner here, and I'll go straight in there and into that yard. Be a decent yard that we're going to rent. I wish it were near us. So yeah, I'm going to get back now, leave the lads to this and get on with my admin that I've got to do. Yeah, it's all looking good. Should have this buttoned up this week. I'll do that tomorrow. Sound job. I'll see you shortly. Yeah, we're just having a look at inspecting Palisade now. But a couple of bags left, isn't there?
Yeah, do for them.
We'll get them on the wagon. A few ends to pick up, I've noticed, Cal. But yeah, it's nice. Straight line is that. Beautiful. Not wrong with that. It's like we know what we're doing. No one again. Yeah, they're our bearers, them, yeah. Yeah, it'd be a good yard to rent this, wouldn't it?
Nice and long one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It'd be a bit awkward though with width, I reckon. No, because once you stack stuff and you want to turn round around.
I think you'd have to get rid of half of them trees, like, wouldn't you? But yeah. I think they're hoping this guy's going to extend here, but yeah.
At least we've got a blank canvas to go at now.
Yeah. But anyway, that's a job well done, is that? Oh, Friday. Oh, yes. End of week. But lads is going to hang these gates today and just finish a couple of sections either side. Not much to do, we're only doing half day today. Carl's not in because he gets married tomorrow, so me and Ben are going to a wedding and we're actually staying over tonight as well. We're going over there sort of early afternoon, and then we're going to go out round Ilkley and whatnot for a few drinks, something to eat tonight. There's a few of us staying over, so should be good. And then wedding tomorrow. Hope it all goes well, I'm sure it will. Yeah, lads are just getting sorted out and loaded up now. Only a few sections to get in. There's gates there. And it's loading pails on here. I'm liking these jackets. 32 pails on gates. And he's just going to put back on to the couple of sections to do, so not really.
Right, Friday, so what we've been doing. So we've put these gate posts in previous day before, let them cure. I've had to offset these because of wind, it's really windy, so I've done a pad here. It's still a bit soft, so I've just drilled a temporary hole and they're shut to, so they're not actually finished. That's as low as we got it there, look. Not too bad. Baying, bolted, bay pails, we're a rail short. So that's set up anyway for a sliding gate, so we'll just have to put another gate. Put one in here, sorry, as well, peg back. Sprayed that one. By the time I come up here, back the tarmac in yard, so yeah, all that stretches in. Just got to post that now. Okay, successful week at Airedale. Weather's just turning now. So Carl's getting married. Yeah, married man when he comes in Monday, Tuesday, whenever he's back. But yeah, all the best to Carl, and so starting it down. So yeah, see you all Monday.
Well, what can I say, another week done at Airedale. Sun's shining now, I've just got in actually. Finished at half day today because Carl's getting married, so we're going over to the hotel shortly. So yeah, we've done well there on that site this week. Got all this footings done, concrete here down, finished off as palisade fencing. So yeah, gate gets delivered day after Christmas, so that'll be a good one to come back to. So anyway, I'll sign out here. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below. In fact, why not try that new height feature? What's the worst that can happen? Give it a go and we'll see you next week. Thank you.